Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the difference between and among. This video is about between versus among. In this video, we are going to learn in which situation we should write or say between and in which situation we should write or say among. Well, when we talk about two-person or when there are only two-person, so we will say or we will write between, right? And when there are more than two-person or there are a group of people, so we will say or we will write among. Alright, I have some examples relating to this. The pizza is divided blank the two boys. Now, in this example, we are talking about two boys. There are only two boys. So, as we learned before that for two-person we use the word between. So, the pizza is divided between two boys. Next one. The teacher is very popular blank his students. Now, the word is students. Alright, in this sentence, there are more than two-person, right? In this sentence, there are students that will be more than two, right? There is no quantity of student. In this sentence, there is no mentioned quantity of students. So, we will write among here as there are more than two students. So the teacher is very popular among his students. Next one is he sat blank Alan and Sam. He sat between Alan and Sam or among Alan and Sam. Well, there are only two persons, Alan and Sam. It means we will put between here. Between. Right? Next one. I'll be at work. Blank 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. So there are only two mentioned time. There are only two options. So we will write between here. And the last one. I sat blank the other students. Now the word is other students. It means there are more than two students. So, as we know, we use the word among when there are a group of people are more than two person. So, I sat among the other students. Hope you guys learned something new.